In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter bank transactions in Xero. This process can be particularly useful for situations where you have transactions that aren't automatically brought into Xero via bank feeds, or you need to make a correction. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First of all, log into your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a wide array of options, but for our purposes, you want to focus on the top menu. Click on Accounting. This section is the hub for most of your financial activities in Xero. Within this dropdown, you'll find the Bank Accounts option. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a list of your existing bank accounts. Choose the bank account where you want the transactions to be entered. This is a crucial first step because entering transactions into the wrong account can lead to discrepancies in your financial records. Once you've selected the correct account, you'll find yourself on the bank account page. Here, you need to look for the Manage Account button. Click it. You'll see some options pop up, allowing you to select whether you want to receive money for deposits or spend money for payments. Choose the option that suits the transaction you are entering. This distinction helps Xero categorize the financial activity accurately, maintaining a clear record of incoming and outgoing cash flows. Now let's move on to the details of the transaction. You'll need to fill in several fields to ensure your transaction is recorded correctly. Start with Who. This is where you'll enter the contact name, whether it be a customer, a supplier, or a payee. Next, the Date field is where you indicate when the transaction actually occurred. You also have a Reference field. Though this is optional, it can be useful for noting things like invoice numbers for future reference. In the Description field, provide a brief narrative about what the transaction entails. This helps in keeping your records informative. Following that, select the appropriate category from your chart of accounts in the Account field to ensure accurate tracking. If applicable, apply the correct tax rate to ensure compliance with tax regulations. Lastly, don't forget to enter the amount, which is the total value of the transaction. With all the details filled out, it's time to save your work. Click Save Transaction and it's recorded. The transaction will now appear in your bank register, ensuring your records are up to date. And there you have it. These steps will help ensure that your bank transactions are accurately entered into Xero, allowing you to maintain a clear and efficient accounting system. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.